Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, iPhone do not offer built-in option to change the snooze time directly within the clock app. However, there are few workarounds to customize your snooze intervals. Here is how you can manage it. Open the clock app on your iPhone, then you go to Alarm. Tap on Alarm tab at the bottom. Next is to set multiple alarms. Tap the plus button to create a new alarm. Then you set the time for the first alarm and tap save. Repeat the process, setting additional alarm at your desired snooze interval, e.g. 5 minutes apart. Another method is to download a third-party app. Go to the App Store and search for Alarming or Sleep Cycle that offers customizable snooze option. Install and configure it. While the iPhone native clock app does not support changing the snooze time directly, setting multiple alarms or using a third-party app can provide you with the flexibility you need. Choose the method that best suits your preference to ensure you wake up on time every time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.